Now we have set up the audience. We have also created an email template. Why did we create a template? Because there could be a lot of communication which would be going through your emails. It could be a welcome mail. It could be some newsletter which you're sending all the time. It could be some campaign, could be anything. So that's how we created one template. Now let's try and get started with how do we send the emailer. Go to create. Now we go to email. We'll have to name this campaign. So let's say admissions 2021 begin. Now since we want a regular one, we took a regular one. Here you go. Now this is asking that whom do you want this mailer to send? So you can go edit here. Maybe if you want, then you can segment this. So if I don't want to send it to the students who already have enrolled, I'm sending it to the students who haven't yet enrolled, right? So I've just selected a tag. Now, if you want to add this personalized thing, so I'm adding F name, which would be first name. So that's how it goes. Since it plays a good major role, so yes, I've added this. Saved it. Now this is from that, okay, who is sending this email? So here you have my name, you have this email address. Maybe if I want to remove something or change the name, I can change it. And if I want that, okay, this should be a company's name, not my name, so I can even change that. So let's say, here you go. Now, subject line is really important because this is the first thing somebody sees before opening your email. So that has to be a good and convincing line. So you're also seeing some good best practices out here. And yes, let's put some subject line. Since I had some content with me. Let me see if I can take something from here. So we can maybe write cute. Or maybe we can write here, let's say, kickstart your digital marketing. Maybe you can write something, kickstart your digital marketing career, or planning to upskill. Could be anything. Also, we had copied one more line, so we can go. Let's say I'm writing keyword digital edge to your career. Kickstart your digital marketing journey. So I've written the subject line that kickstart your digital marketing journey, give a digital edge to your career, but here nowhere it is giving any message that admissions are open. So maybe I can do that as well. And also I've done some title casing so that this preview text or the subject line is more creative. And maybe you can also add some emojis out here. How about adding something? Let's see if we can add something out here. Since you know that Mailchimp gives you option of adding emojis, you can check and see if something. So we can add a trophy here. So what I'm doing is kickstart your digital marketing journey, give a digital edge to your career. So let's say maybe we can do this here and talk about admissions open. Admissions open. Or maybe how about apply now? Apply now. Give a digital edge to your career. Learn digital marketing. Apply now. Save this. Preview text is basically, even if you don't add, it would take first line of your mailer, which is the content. So if you want, you can leave it blank as well. Go to design email. Now here we go, let's say selecting classical builder. We already have a template, so we'll go to the save template because we already created one. And here's what I'm selecting. Once you select this, again, make sure that you check the content thoroughly. So I can see the logo. Here's the image, Plant of 21. This is it. Perfect. I think we are good to go. And if you're done with this, then you can continue. The best thing is that you can also send a test mailer to yourself to see if everything is all right. So what I'll do is I'll send a test mailer to myself. I'll just send it to myself and you can even send more. You just put a comma to separate the email IDs. Here you go. And let's send a test out here and wait how things proceed. So it says that yes, your test mail has been sent out. And let's see the test mail. Let's check the mailer. Let's see if we are in inbox or are we in spam. Okay, but since it's test mailer, so I've got it in my inbox. You can see this, give a digital edge to your career, learn digital marketing, apply now. It's written test because it's a test message. Look safe. Here you go. Let's see the mailer. And if you see, you can already see what all details are coming out here. It already took it from your Mailchimp account. And if you're seeing this label, because we have a free account and it's not white labeled yet. So yeah, here you go with the mailer. Now, since we have checked it all, what you can do is go ahead and shoot. If you want, you can also schedule. Schedule is that when you want it to go, maybe tonight, tomorrow, whenever. So you can do that as well. Just right now, we feel like, okay, yeah, it's good to go. So we click on send. So since we had differentiated with the students and the other surprise viewers, I'm just putting it here. Here you go. That's how you'll use Mailchimp to create emailers and send it out there. And then once it's done, you can go and check the reports. You'll have all the data with you.